everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my God, you guys, it is the holiday season. Yes, we are approaching on the holidays, Christmas, Hanukkah, all of it, okay? So I decided I want to do a festive hairstyle because it's been forever since I've done one, like literally last December. So I decided I want to make a wreath wig. That's right, a wig that has a wreath on it. So I have here some supplies. The Pardon Me Evergreen Tinsel from Jaymes Mansfield Beauty. A little plug there. I'm gonna be using this wig today and a few of them because I want to create like a Whoville-ish kind of wig. I have here a foam ring that I got from the craft store. And we're gonna try and put something on top of here to create like a wreath on top of the head. So like make like a pixie cut that holds onto a wreath. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, I had this whole idea in my mind and hopefully it actually works out. So we're gonna see how this works because this could be actually pretty difficult to do. Is getting this symmetry right? Is that the word, symmetry? I feel like that's the word. That's totally the word. It is now. I got a bunch of stuff from the craft store to even decorate with too. So we're gonna make this festive and we're gonna make it merry, all right? Let's start brushing through it and just cutting layers because whatever I cut out, I'm gonna put back in because I gotta cover the rings too. I don't wanna cut too much because I also, gotta tease it up a little bit too. And I got a few of these wigs just in case I need them to like take apart for tracks. So we'll see what happens here. Okay, I think she's gonna be cute. Now, I haven't watched any Christmas stuff lately. Like, I really thought I would, but I haven't yet. Like, there was one, that one Christmas movie that was coming out with Luke McFarlane. I wanted to watch that, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. I have, of course, watched The Bee Who Stole Christmas. It's become my new tradition now for December's to watch myself in my feature film debut. I'm a little nervous because, like, I never really cropped a wig this short before. So we're going to see how this works. But we got a nice pile of green hair assembling on the floor, which will be come in handy when I have to cover the ring. It's starting to look a little bit like Jodie Foster.
Dr. Lecter, my name is Clarice Starling.
Could come out a little more butch than I intended, but we'll see what happens here. The magic of Christmas will make it work. I can already sense it. It's gonna be cute. We're gonna put cuteness into the energy, and my heart will grow 10 times this day. And these Pardon Me's were great. I love them, but we are in the process of discontinuing them. So if you want to own the Pardon Me Tinsel Green while we still have it, be sure and go to Jaymes Mansfield Beauty and get it because they will not be making any more of them. I feel it's so good to be able to say stuff like that. I'm discontinuing this color. It makes me feel like, wigs.com or Raquel Welch, Be sure and grab it while you still can because we're going to be discontinuing the color soon. I don't want to go too much shorter because I also got to be able to like tease something up. She's short now. And she's a bit like a 70s teen heartthrob, like a Leif Garrett kind of hairstyle. Let's start teasing it. I'm just doing this to create a little base in the wig because I have to be able to like glue this stuff to something. So if I have a good nesting in the wig, that's gonna help. I love the holidays. It really felt like Halloween. We only got like a week of it in the beginning of October and like immediately they put Christmas decorations up for sale. What was up with that? Especially in Vegas. They're just like, no. Halloween is done. It's Christmas time now. Oh, I forgot to ask. I haven't seen it yet. Have you guys saw that Thanksgiving movie? Because I haven't seen it yet. All right, I'm gonna tease this up quick and I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, I had the hair all teased out and I had to put the apron on because I have to work with a glue gun. I'm not messing this dress up. I just made it. Big shout out to Nate Luna. Y'all remember this original apron? I had this ring, or the circle I mean, from the craft store. I probably could have gotten a ring, but this is all they had. We're making do with what we got. It's like the Squid Games right now. Will I be able to carve out a circle with my tongue? What a fascinating show. I love how they all had like ink packs that would explode on their chest whenever they lost. And they had to like pretend to be dead. Like, ugh. What challenge would you be out on? I would probably be out at red light, green light because I would have to run and I was never the best at that in gym class. I was always the one that just walked the whole time with the girl in Cookie Monster pajamas. I was hanging out with that girl. And the powerless gym teacher looks on. Woo, look at that. I win. All right, well, let's start covering it, honestly. Crafts. I have all the discarded hair on the floor, so I'm just gonna start picking it up. I'm gonna start gluing this to it because thankfully, a wreath is just leaves. We could probably just like glue this hair onto this in some sort of way to make it look like leaves. We're just gonna start spreading glue out and just putting it on.
Spreading the glue onto the wreath, yes, for the holiday season.
Just stick the hair on, why not?
God damn it.
I have to reload already? I feel like I'm in like a first-person shooter game right now. There we go. Spread it around. It's gonna look amazing. I'm excited for this. I'm just kind of like pasting it on, grabbing a big chunk and just like putting it on and setting it to like both the ends stick out like that and it's just glued in the middle. Because then those little curls, I could probably do something with and that'll actually help encourage that like leaf-like look. Ooh, I'll probably do the rest off camera. This is burning my fingers and I don't feel like giving you a display of pain on camera. You don't get to see me suffer in real time. Well, I'm gonna glue the rest of this ring and I'll be right back. Welcome back. I have here a wreath made out of hair. It actually came out a lot better than I thought it was going to. I'm not even gonna lie. I actually surprised myself. Now, I divided a section on the top of the head here in the wig. So we're gonna put the glue on that and attach it. And then pray to Jesus that it stays on. With whatever glue I have left, because I'm literally down to like one last stick. Quick, 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 quick. Press it in. Pins here. I'm gonna try and use this to create like a barrier. Oh, you can see the mic. But this is how she's looking. Oh my God. What in the Whoville? I am in love. Let's hairspray it. All the BTS is being shown today, and that's BTS is in behind the scenes, not the incredible boy band. Which reminds me, if you love boy bands, I just released a video on It's Just Jaymes, okay? Ranking the top 25 boy bands of all time based from Entertainment Weekly. There were opinions, and there were definitely disagreements, okay?
Let's fight about it in the comment section.
Oh yeah, she's definitely starting to look like a wreath. So I'm gonna let that dry while we style the bottom part. This, I want to do like something really chic and almost Christmas tree-ish. Oh, you cannot take her. Okay, so I'm probably gonna trim a little bit more from these sections, but she's coming together super cute though, not even gonna lie. Let's decorate it a little bit though. I got these from the craft store. Come on now, these little glittery bits and those flowers that everybody likes. Oh my gosh, would I think they're poisonous to cats if they eat them? I remember that little factoid. Oh, it came right out, there we go. It's gonna be like decorating my tree as a kid, only my mother won't move all the decorations the way she wants them the very next day. Anyone else's mom do that? It was like a big deal to decorate the family, and like she wanted to make sure all the kids got downstairs and decorated the tree. And the very next day we looked, and like I remember where I put those ornaments. They were all moved around and like made into an order that she actually liked. It's like, gee, thanks for including me in that. Passive aggressive things our mothers do. Okay, let's put the little berries in somewhere. Oh my God, it's gonna be so cute. And this is like one of those flower bed things, so like you can really pierce into it too. Oh my God, y'all cannot take her. Let's add some leaves to it too. Why not? That'd be kind of pretty, like some leaves in there somewhere. As far as the Grinch is concerned, Grinch lore, Grinch fans, which one do we love? Do we love the animated one, the original from the 70s? Do we love the Jim Carrey one? Or that like, weird, 3D animation one they released a few years ago? What are our thoughts? I must know. God. I love it. Decorating is fun. Oh my gosh. It kind of makes me want a Christmas tree. It's giving wreath. Almost burned the crap out of myself right now. I'm gonna continue to decorate this and I'll be right back. Welcome back. This is the final result. And oh my God, I'm kind of obsessed. It looks like a wreath. Oh my God. This actually came out so, I sound like Marge Simpson there. God. But yeah, it came out so good. Like I'm really happy with it. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my God. And I really secured it with some glue and a little bit of pins too. So she looks wobbly, but she is on there, okay? Like, she ain't going nowhere. Like, yes! Probably because it's so heavy and there's so much hair in it. But, like, it doesn't feel that bad. Like, it's actually pretty nice. This is her. Look at that. I'm really happy with the haircut on it, too. Like, this little nonsense going on here. Come on now. Imagine it on a lace front. My goodness. This came out so good. I'm really proud of myself. It really got me in the festive holiday spirit. Like, I'm ready for a Christmas party now. I probably won't wear it, but I could wear it if there was one happening tonight. So, there is that. Oh my goodness, yes. I'm the sexiest woman in Whoville. I have to take a moment, a Venn moment where I thank everyone who's tipped me on Venmo. I would like to thank Sean, Patrick, Andrew, as well as a YouTube super thanks from Martha. Thank you, Martha, Chris, Roger, and Martha again. Thank you all so much for the YouTube super thanks and the tips on Venmo. Oh my God, the holiday shimmy, my gosh. Venmo. Oh my goodness. Now folks, I had a blast doing this. If there's any other like Christmassy ideas, please let me know because honestly, I love the holidays and I love stupid holiday themed videos. The dumber the better, okay? Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Now hit the outro. Click here and see me react to every year of the sexiest man alive. Or see me react to the top 25 boy bands of all time on It's Just Jaymes, okay? Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll steal all your Christmas presents. So click it.